Box-and-Whiskers plot. So on your graphing calculator, you can go to Stats, Edit, and if you've already got some data in a list, I'm going to show you how to clear that out right now. So you go to Stats, go down to Clear List, select Clear List, and I'm going to clear out List 1, and that's done, so it should be empty right now. And I'm going to enter data into List 1. Oops. So I'll go to Stats, Edit. Now I can enter my data values into List 1. So I've got data values here, 17, 21, 22, 22, and so on. Just enter those in there. Make sure you don't skip one. Okay, so I've got all my data in there. I can second function quit out of that. And if you're going to draw a Box-and-Whiskers plot by hand, you can actually go into Stats and go over to One Variable Statistics and click Enter and second function List 1. And it'll give you a bunch of statistics here. You don't need the ones on the top for the Box-and-Whisker plot. Just scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here we have the minimum value is 17. Q1, that's your lower quartile, your median, your upper quartile, and your maximum value. So those are the 5 numbers you need to make a Box-and-Whiskers plot. So you can use those 5 numbers to make a Box-and-Whisker plot by hand. Or if you want to, you can make a Box-and-Whisker plot using the graphing calculator. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quit out of that. Second function, quit. Oh, never mind, just clear. And go to second function, stat plot. And I'm going to press enter here on plot 1. I'm going to turn it on first of all. And then go down here, and there's a bunch of different things you could do. You can make a histogram. There's 2 types of box plot. We're going to use the second Box-and-Whiskers plot here, this one right here. Press enter, and it's going to use list 1, that's correct. Now to look at your Box-and-Whiskers plot, you need to go to zoom, and you go down to number 9, zoom stat. And there's your Box-and-Whisker plot. If you want to see the important values here, you can click on trace. And you can see your lower extreme is 17, your lower quartile is 22, and so on. So you can get all your 5 important points just by scrolling back and forth. And that's how you make a Box-and-Whiskers plot using a graphing calculator.